and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to combine what we have learned. So far, we have learned how to create for loops and lists. Now, we are going to use that information to design a program that creates a list of friends and then uses a for loop to display a message to each friend. Now let's begin. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to create a list called friends. And we're going to populate this list with the friends that the user inputs. We're going to start the second sentence on a new line. Now, once the friends list is populated, we're going to create a for loop that will display a message to each friend. All right, our message is going to say their first name, and then it's going to say, thank you for being my friend. So let's run this program. And before we run this program, I'm going to put an empty line after or before the statement. Okay, now we're going to type our friends' names. Okay, now each friend has a message. Sarah, thank you for being my best friend. John, thank you for being my best friend. Lisa, Matt, Sally, Richard, and Jessica, thank you for being my best friend. Thanks for learning with me on today. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. Thank you.